everyone, good morning. It's actually 6:30 a.m. So basically I was up late continuously for 2-3 days because of some work. Since then my sleep cycle got disturbed, so I wanted to set it right. So I made myself some delicious coffee. And what I'm gonna do now is get started with my office work first, and then I will take you guys through the day. Started with work first. So I quickly got dressed and I got ready, and I am about to shoot a couple of videos, and it's our anniversary week. So basically we're just prepping up and getting the house clean, and I have a few more decor pieces that I'm waiting on. I just want to finish that up before the anniversary. This is a chandelier from my old house, like my really old house from when I was in engineering or like inter. We just got this and placed it here. We just got it fixed. It was empty until recently. And sneak peek of the rest of the house. Very messy. I was shooting something till now. This is the sari that I'm planning to wear. It's a floral printed sari and it's an off-white, and it has like off-white border itself. It is a very beautiful floral print, and I want to wear like a high neck, high collared green blouse, but I did not have the time to get it stitched, so I might end up wearing it with normal green blouse. And then there's one more sari after this. It's the second sari, and this one is like very traditional, and I think it's called Kasubuta sari, and this is a Kanjivaram sari, and it has like a nice border with beautiful mangoes and everything. So this is the second sari that I'm wearing. I don't know how much I'll be able to vlog during the actual event, so I just am showing you guys everything. But I'll probably try and insert pictures in case I don't vlog. And look what I found. I found a very interesting product. This is L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch, and this is such a quick hack, you guys. It is such an amazing product. So I just came across this, and since I have a party coming up, I thought this will be super useful, and I wanted to share this tip with you guys as well. So it's like a one-stop fix for grey hair, and it has been used internationally even by influencers. I've seen a lot of people talk about it, and it has great reviews, and it is so easy to use. Like, you just have to like spray it like this and you're done. It dries up really easily, so you don't have to worry about waiting for too long. Once you apply it, it dries easily, and it is easy to apply, and it is super travel friendly and so easy to use, and it lasts till your next wash, and you can directly use it on styled hair. So it is super easy to use. And look at this packaging. It is so light and travel friendly, and it has this micro diffuser. You can just spray it through this nozzle, and it is super easy to use. You can carry it in your handbag. So basically there's two ways I use this. So of course on gray hair or like gray roots, and the other one the other way is also really good. I use it to cover my like bald patches or like gaps in my hair basically. So I have thin hair, and you will see that, you know, I do have like a lot of gaps in hair, and especially when I'm heading out for like some parties or functions, when I do some particular hairstyles, like if I take a lot of portion of this side and, you know, pin it, then sometimes I see that I realize later in pictures or something that there's a lot of gaps here or at the back sometimes. So I use this to make sure that, you know, I fill in those, and it is just like dry shampoo. Just have to take it like this and spray it. And then if you have like hair grabs like me, then this will work great. Of course, for retouching your gray roots or gray hair also, this is super useful. It is difficult to manage coloring your hair and, you know, keeping up the maintenance. I see this both with my husband and with my mom as well. So whenever they want to retouch their roots, they'll have to do the entire coloring process, and you have to keep this every now and then. done. So it does get a little difficult, and also when you have like something coming up, you need a quick fix, then this is great. I've seen a lot of makeup artists use this as well, and a lot of influencers as well. I've seen it in a lot of videos. Whenever I get my hair done, I see that a lot of people try and use this because I have hair gaps. So whenever I work on some shoots, or even when I had my hair done for like my brother's engagement, or like during my wedding also for some events, we've used this L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch, and it works great. So I'll show you the demo for grey hair on Yash. I'm just going to show you guys a demo on Yash's hair. You can see that there's some grey strands. So that's where I'm going to spray it. Here you could see the grey strands, and now it's all covered. And you'll also see like a nice shine when you're like applying it. But I will show you how I use it to cover gaps. So when I pick up my hair like this also, I see some gaps. Wherever I can see gaps, I spritz it. And then you just have to let it dry, and it dries so quickly and it doesn't get on your fingers, and you can just use it on your styled hair, like already styled hair also. You can just do this as a last step and just spritz it, and it is such a quick hack and it works great. So even if you're someone who loves doing hairstyles and you do some braids and stuff, you see hair gaps, this works great. Even then you can just spritz it, and it'll be really beautiful, and it gives you like a really nice clean look. So that's how you use this product, and it has no ammonia, and it is transfer proof, and it is smudge proof because it has this diffuser. You can directly aim and spray it where you need it, and it doesn't transfer like on your forehead, or even here, like when I use it and I put my hands on it, it doesn't transfer. Wait for it a couple of seconds for it to dry, and then it doesn't transfer. So it is basically so simple to use. It is just like using dry shampoo. You can just spritz it and it's done. So that was all about L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch, and this is just for 299 rupees, and this is such a great product for such quick fix, and I absolutely love this, and it has become one of my favorite products, especially because I like to use it on my hair gaps, and whenever there's a party, I don't have to worry about anything. I can just take this and quickly fix my hair after I do my hairstyle. So I will leave the link in the description box. You can definitely check this out, and I think this is such a good product to have in your handbag or basically in your vanity. And also, this is a new house, and because of the COVID situation, nobody had visited this house. Like mostly it was just my first family, a lot of Yash's cousins and my cousins. Nobody has visited this place, so I just want to like dress it up a little bit. And also for the anniversary, instead of having the party outside, we think we would do it on the terrace, like right outside my house. I live on the terrace on the same floor as the penthouse, so we're considering doing it here, or the other option is of course to do it in my brother's office space. Basically, even that is like a terrace, and it's nicely done. You can like put lights, and it would look really beautiful. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I'm just considering this place more because people can see my house as well, because most of our family hasn't seen the house. So I'll just show you guys. It's plain terrace, but then with lights and all that, I think look great. Pretty basic terrace. These are actually strings to dry clothes, but then I plan to put lights on that, and then some lights over here, and then I think tables, imagine tables here, and I think we'll have a dinner setup. And then we went to see the other place which I was talking about. It's sort of like a guest house and my brother's office space, but that's also on a terrace, and you can host like a dinner party there. So we just wanted to see if we will be able to accommodate our guests there. So this is the guest house kind of area, and this is the terrace. I wanted to show you guys like a proper transformation, but I'll do that in another video when there is daylight. We've come to check out this place, so I'll just show you guys around. It'll accommodate about 10-15 people at the max for dinner. Like, this is like a terrace place. We want to put my mom and Sushma want to put plants and everything, so that it'll be beautiful, and it's very breezy in the evenings. The entire place looks beautiful, so it will make for a really nice place for evening parties or dinner parties, so it'll be perfect for that. So that was the idea of this, and I want to come and shoot some videos also here during the daytime because it'll be perfect sunlight. So anyway, came to see this place, but I think it might be a little small for like 25 people if I'm hosting like 25 to 30 people. So probably our terrace is better. Which is, most of the stuff is from IKEA. The stable is from IKEA. The stable is from IKEA, and we also have these benches. This mirror is also from IKEA. This is the kitchen. It's like so perfect. This is the kitchen, and then there's a small breakfast table there. There is also a small bedroom. This is like a studio kind of a place with kitchen and a bedroom and a terrace outdoors place. So the room is not done yet. They're just still tearing it up. Since we're here anyway, we thought we'll have dinner here only. So it's a family dinner. Huh? Chapandi.
If you desire to blossom like a rose in the garden, first you have to learn the art of adjusting with the thorns.
Okay.
So, if you adjust with the, if you try to adjust with the thorns, you can achieve anything in the life.
మీరు చిన్నప్పుడు చెప్పాలి కదా, నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు ఎలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్స్ వస్తాయో తెలియదు లైఫ్లో. సో నువ్వు అన్నీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచే నార్మల్ లైఫ్కి అలవాటు పడితే లగ్జరీస్ ఉంటాయి, డిఫికల్టీస్లో ఉన్నా యూ విల్ బి ఏబుల్ టు సర్వైవ్. ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ ఓన్లీ యూస్ టు లగ్జరీస్ దెన్ యూ విల్ నాట్ నో హౌ టు సర్వైవ్ వెన్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ఆర్ డిఫికల్ట్ అని చెప్పి అందుకనే బస్లో పంపించేవాళ్ళు కదా.
I think basically having a very positive outlook of fate fundamentally.
బయటకు వెళ్తే అయ్యే కదా, థాంగ్స్ కదా ఎక్కువ.
అవును,
ఫ్లవర్స్ కంటే
కానీ ఇప్పుడు
థాంగ్స్ తీసుకెళ్తేనే సరిపోతుంది లైఫ్.
కానీ one thing from my experience was until that thorns only make you learn a lot in life.
Crazy fellow. అసలు అంతా పైకి ఎగురుతున్నాయండి. ఎవరు గ్రోల్ చేస్తారు? హాయ్ మాయా. మాయా కాదు ఇది.
గుండా అంటాడు. But anyway, it's a learned dog.
My decor piece ended up coming after our anniversary, you guys. And so we ended up having our anniversary dinner at our terrace outside my house, like I mentioned earlier. And I am so sorry I could not vlog, but here are some pictures for you guys. So it was such a nice event with family and friends, and it was so fun, and basically it was a traditional event actually. So that is it for today's vlog, you guys. I hope you guys had fun watching this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.